Hi there guys, we're back on a very forgotten project. Yes, the mk2 Golf. No excuse, just haven't had time basically to do it. I did have an old friend come round, and I don't know why I'm walking around this way, but hey. I did have an old friend come round and put a new subframe on it because it desperately needed it, and there's a bottom arm there that you put on it. He didn't have a chance to put time to put the new one on. That it was wrong for some weird reason. So yeah, the old subframe was completely toasted. I was hoping to patch it, got underneath it, and it wasn't worth patching. So yeah, like I say, we need to get it moved because my next door neighbour, whose drive it's on, garden, wants his drive back. He wants to build a shed here and start his own business, and obviously this is in the road, so let's get it done. I want to just go around, double check the drive shaft bolts because some of them are loose. I do know that. Just tie this sort of stuff up, get it out of the road, put the wheels back on it, obviously. Just go around to make sure everything's secure up, so nothing's in the road when I come to move it. What else do I need to do? And make it look good. So the wings need going on, the grille needs to go on, and obviously it wants a wash. So instead of jibber-jabbering and getting all depressed, lucky of all the jobs I need to do, let's just get it done. Quick recap, just in case you're new to the channel and not seen this. Forgotten project. Well, forgotten project. It's mk2 Golf GL, which is blue on blue, so blue on sort of blue. Yeah, blue on blue. It has got blue seats, not like you can see them. They are in the shed way down there. So yeah, bought it cheap. It was the cheapest in the UK at the time. Not now, but never mind. The engine wasn't in, neither was the gearbox. It was a complete mess. So now the engine's in, so is the gearbox. It did sort of run with help with a fuel can. Temporarily, so it's a 1.6. What else was it? Oh yeah, and basically I bought it as a project because the bloke took it to pieces, expected to do a big engine and this, that and the other, never did, and I ended up getting screwed by it basically. He said all the parts are there, it's all in the back. It wasn't, so hey, never mind. And we got to this point, so that's a bit of a recap. So I want to just double check these drive shaft bolts because some of them are tight. I don't know if you can see. Some of them are tight. That one's tight. I think the bottom one's tight. Can't concentrate on my finger. That one's tight. That one isn't. So there's clearly someone that isn't. And I can't see down there. Yeah, there's definitely. Ooh, yeah. No, yeah, no, yeah. There we go. So yeah, let's just get that all sorted. I have noticed there's a bolt missing down there for the gearbox, back gearbox bolt. So yeah, there's plenty to do. But anyway, let's see a bridge over and let's get it moving. Hey guys, put the wheels back on. It's not on the floor just yet. I've done some bolts up. Steering rack wasn't quite tight. Engine mounts down there, and the steering column from the column to the rack is like a bit of a universal joint thing. That was really difficult to get on, you know. But hey, so let's pull the extra stands out and get it on the road, on the floor for the first time in 2-3 years, I think. So there it is, sitting on the floor. That tie's slightly low. Says that one. It's got to do the back now. Right, she's fully on the ground now. I forgot how short this thing was. Yeah, first time in 2-3 years, maybe longer. It's actually sat on the same wheels. Right, next I'm gonna do a bit of a tidy up and I'm gonna put the wings on. Need to find the bolts. Yeah. Right there guys, it's all washed off and clean. Ready to move. Well, it's getting late now, so I'm going to pack everything up now, call it tonight, and I'll probably be out in the morning. To move this, I need to take this fence panel down. And then there's a bolt there, and there's a bolt there, and there's a bolt there. And this fence panel comes out. And hopefully it'll go through. Hopefully. Yeah, and then it'll be on the front of our drive. It'll be good for you. It'll just be there. And yeah, I can finally get something around to doing it now. So yeah, so see you in a bit.
1 week later.
Hi there guys, it's been a couple of days and yeah, we've moved it. We've cleaned all the area and now it's on my side. Yeah, so still got some bits that are coming, the pipe, and yeah, like I say, did it a couple of days ago and now it's raining, so best get my bum inside. And yeah, if you like this sort of thing, like, comment, subscribe, and see you on the next one guys. Bye.